Ideal for busy professionals, Accel5 is a microlearning tool that helps employees develop soft skills such as communication, leadership, teamwork, and innovation in just minutes and at their convenience. Please note, because implementations of Accel5 may vary by organization, your available content and settings may differ somewhat from the examples in this tutorial. Accel5 features options to browse content by competency, as well as browse the newest book summaries, featured videos, or featured articles. To browse by competency in Accel5, make a selection from the Browse by Competency area on the home screen. The results for your chosen competency are displayed. You can filter your results by content type using the Filter by drop-down menu next to the search box, or run a new search by sub-competency using the links in the left column. Click the Accel5 logo or My Dashboard to return to the dashboard. Accel5 also allows you to search for content related to your subject of interest. Results may include book summaries, videos, and articles. To search Accel5, enter your search terms in the search box and click the Search button. From the displayed results, you can launch a new search by entering a term in the search box and clicking the magnifying glass. From the book summary page, you can select 1 to 5 stars and click the Rate This button to add your rating. Click on a term, competency, author, content type, etc. to view related Accel5 results. Play an audio version of the book summary on your computer or device. View or download a PDF version of the book summary to your computer or device. Click the email icon to email a link to a coworker. Click the printer icon to print it out. Click the ribbon icon to save it to your bookmarks. From a video page, you can click the play button to watch the video. Select 1 to 5 stars and click the Rate This button to add your rating of the video. Click on a term to view related Accel5 results. Click the CC button on the player to see the closed captions in English or Spanish. Click the email icon above the video to email a link to a coworker. Click the ribbon icon to save the video to your bookmarks. Returning to the home screen, the Activity widget displays the book summaries, videos, and articles you find in Accel5 and tracks your progress so you can return to reading them at a later time. To use the Activity widget, click the plus sign next to Activity. The widget will not display if there has been no activity. The In Progress tab displays content that you have begun to read but have not yet completed. Click the Continue button to pick up where you left off, or click the expander arrow to view the details of a summary, video, or article. The Completed tab displays content that you have finished reading or watching. You can return to a page by clicking the View button. The Bookmarks tab displays the content you have bookmarked as well as custom folders you create for those bookmarks. Click the View link to return to a bookmarked page. Click the expander arrow to view details about the content. You can remove bookmarks by clicking the Remove Bookmark link. For more information, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.